All right, take this one down. Copy that, starting the cut.
Cutting now.
We have it. Secure the bunch.
"45 centimeters. Cut here.
Left, right, stack. Left, right, stack.
Down, down!
I'm here in the heart of a banana plantation, where an agricultural byproduct is becoming the future of sustainable hygiene.
Welcome to the world of civilization.
From plantation to factory, the journey begins with careful handling and logistics.
Clear.
Each stem is carefully collected for transport to advanced processing facilities. Each stem is carefully collected for transport to advanced processing facilities. From plantation to factory, the journey begins with careful handling and logistics.
This is where agricultural waste enters a high-tech transformation process.
Arriving in 10 minutes.
Convoy arrives at a state-of-the-art factory. Automated unloading systems remove stems from trucks.
Modern equipment ensures efficiency, speed, and minimal material loss.
Every stem is tracked and routed for precise processing.
What begins as farm residue is now entering one of the most innovative, sustainable manufacturing processes on Earth.
The first step is thorough cleaning to remove dirt, sap, and organic residue. Industrial washing systems prepare each stem for extraction. Quality control starts early, ensuring only the best material moves forward.
Pass.
Precision cutting improves consistency in downstream processing.
Section 1, 2. Automation maximizes speed while preserving fiber integrity.
Uniform alignment ensures smooth and continuous processing. Every section is analyzed for ideal extraction performance. Smart technology pinpoints the most valuable portions of each stem. Now, the real transformation begins.
Inside these machines, tough banana stems are about to reveal their hidden treasure: natural fiber.
Powerful rollers separate the outer layers with remarkable precision. Long, durable fibers are carefully extracted from the plant tissue.
These fibers are naturally strong, lightweight, and highly absorbent.
Automated scraping machines refine the extraction. Robotic arms transfer fibers to processing belts. Different grades are sorted for specific product applications.
A single facility can process tons of banana stems every day.
Human expertise ensures optimal machine performance.
Pressure increased.
What was once waste is now a valuable industrial material.
Soft, resilient, and sustainable, this natural fiber is the foundation of next-generation hygiene products. But this is only the beginning.
Next, the fibers undergo intensive purification. This step eliminates impurities while preserving softness. Multi-stage rinses ensure exceptional cleanliness and purity. Sustainable processing keeps the entire operation environmentally responsible. Sterilization eliminates microbes and ensures safety. High-temperature steam provides thorough, chemical-free sterilization. Precise drying protects fiber strength and softness. The fibers become lighter, softer, and easier to process. Now perfectly clean, the fibers are ready for conversion.
At this stage, banana fiber has been transformed into a sterile, ultra-soft raw material. Now that we have pure, soft banana,
The purified fibers are converted into a soft, absorbent pulp. Refining increases surface area and absorbency. Every batch is tested for softness, consistency, and performance. Advanced formulations create superior fluid retention. Automation ensures perfect uniformity in every batch. The pulp is transformed into lightweight absorbent layers. These sheets will become the core of pads and diapers. Precision controls guarantee consistent protection. Each roll meets exacting global hygiene standards.
this soft, powerful core is what delivers exceptional comfort and leak protection. Now that we have the perfect
Core material is cut into product shapes. Top sheets, absorbent cores, and protective back sheets come together. Special bonding creates a secure, flexible structure. Each pad is engineered for comfort, fit, and absorbency. Diapers require even greater absorbency and leak control. Flexible barriers provide a snug, comfortable fit. Thousands of products are assembled every hour. Expert supervision ensures flawless production.
Line 3. Adjust tension.
The final structural layers are now locked in place.
From natural fiber to advanced hygiene core, the transformation is extraordinary. But we're not done yet.
Final shaping ensures ergonomic comfort. Thermal bonding creates strong, seamless construction. Clean edges improve comfort and appearance. These features ensure stability and secure placement. Advanced fastening systems provide adjustability and comfort. A final sterilization step guarantees maximum hygiene. Every product is examined for perfection. Only flawless products continue forward. Now they are ready for final presentation.
These products now meet the highest standards of safety, comfort, and reliability. But to reach your home, they must be wrapped.
Protective wrapping preserves cleanliness and convenience. High-speed packaging ensures efficiency and hygiene. Automation delivers precision at every stage. Rigorous testing confirms exceptional performance.
Products must perform under real-world conditions.
Comfort is tested as carefully as strength.
Batch 321, softness and durability confirmed, release for shipping.
Only products meeting strict standards are released. Millions of units are ready for global distribution.
From a humble banana stem to a trusted household essential.
Now, these pallets are warehouses, stores.
Finished products are stored in climate-controlled facilities.
These sustainable hygiene products are shipped worldwide.
Clear.
Soon, they will reach families everywhere. Consumers benefit from comfort, reliability, and sustainability. These look good.
Using banana fiber reduces agricultural waste and supports a greener future.
A remarkable fusion of nature, science, and manufacturing.
From giant banana stems to life-changing hygiene essentials, this is how sustainability is reshaping the future, one product at a time.
Innovation and sustainability work hand in hand.
This circular process turns waste into value, again and again.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.